So today in this video we are going to learn to arrange unlike fractions in descending order. So here are unlike fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 8, and we are going to arrange these fractions in descending order. So for that, first of all we have to convert these all fractions into like fractions. After that we arrange them in descending order. So in first step we have to take the LCM, means lowest common multiple of denominators 2, 4 and 8. So 2, 4 and 8 is equal to, so the LCM means lowest common multiple of 2, 4, 8 is 2 times 1 means 2, 2 times 2 means 4 and 2 times 4 means 8. So it is 1 is as it is, 2 times 2 means 4, 2 times 1 means 2, 2 times 2 means 4. So LCM here is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. This one 2 and this one 2. So it is 2 times 2 means 4, 4 times 2 means 8. So the LCM of denominators 2, 4 and 8 is 8. So now we have to convert these all fractions into like fractions. So first fraction is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into. So now LCM here is 8 and denominator is 2. So we have to divide the LCM with denominator. So 8 is divided by 2 means 4. So multiplied with 4. So 1 times 4 means 4 by 2 times 4 means 8. Like as we have second fraction is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into. So LCM here is 8 and denominator is 4. So 8 is divided by 4 means multiplied by 2. So like as it is 3 times 2 means 6 by 4 times 2 means it is 8. Like as we have third fraction is 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 here. So LCM is 8 and denominator is also 8. So 8 is divided by 8 means it is 1. So 5 times 1 means 5 by 8 times 1 means 8. So as you look here, we have converted these all unlike fractions into like fractions. So now we have converted them into or arrange them into descending order. So in descending order we can write it from the greater one to smaller one. So in denominator part we have 8 in all, and in numerator part we have 4, 6 and 5. So among 4, 6 and 5 the greatest one is 6. So it is 6 by 8. After that the smaller lesser than 6 is 5. So it is 5 by 8. Like as the smallest one is 4. So it is 4 by 8. So arrange them in descending order, means from the greater one to lesser one. So here is 6 by 8 and 6 by 8 is correspond to 3 by 4. So it is 3 by 4. Like as 5 by 8 is correspond to 5 by 8. Like as 4 by 8 is correspond to 1 by 2. So we have arranged them in descending order. So in this way we can arrange the unlike fractions into descending order. So first of all we have to take the LCM of denominator. After that change all the unlike fractions into like fraction and then arrange them. So like as in the same way we have second problem we are going to solve, which is 5 by 6, 2 by 9 and 7 by 12. So these all are also unlike fractions and we are going to arrange them in descending order. So in the same way, first of all you have to take the lowest common multiple, means LCM of denominator 6, 9 and 12, which is equal to LCM of 6, 9 and 12. So it is 2 times 3 means 6, 9 as it is, 2 times 6 means 12. So now it is 3 times 1 means 3, 3 times 3 means 9, 3 times 2 means 6. So LCM is equal to 2 multiple 3 from here, and from here we can write multiple 3 into 2. So it is 2 times 3 means 6, 6 times 3 means 18, 18 times 2 means it is 36. So the LCM of denominators 6, 9 and 12 is equal to 36. So now we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. So first fraction is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 multiple. And now we have to divide the taken LCM with respective denominators. So here is 36 divided by 6 means 6. So multiplied with 6. So 5 times 6 means it is 30 by 6 times 6 means it is 36. Like as second fraction is 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 multiple. So LCM is 36, denominator is 9. So 36 is divided by 9 means it is 4 multiplied by 4. So 2 times 4 means 8 by 9 times 4 means it is 36. Like as third fraction is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 into. So now 36 divided by 12 means it is 3. So 7 times 3 means it is 21 and 12 times 3 means it is 36. So as you look here, we have converted these all unlike fractions into respective like fractions. Now we are going to arrange them in descending order. So in descending order. So in descending order, we have to arrange them from greater 1 to smaller 1. So in denominator part we have 36. Like as numerator part we have 38 and 21. So among 38 and 21 the greatest one is 30. So we write here 30 by 36. Like as the lesser than 30 is 21. So it is 21 by 36. Like as the smallest one is 8. So it is 8 by 36. So these are like fractions which are arranged in descending order. So like as 30 by 36 is corresponding to 5 by 6. Like as 21 by 36 is corresponding to 7 by 12. Like as 8 by 36 is corresponding to 2 by 9. So these, here is the arrangement in of descending order. In like fractions, it is converted into unlike fractions. So in this way we can arrange the unlike fractions into descending order. So in first step we have to take the LCM of denominator. After that convert all the unlike fractions into like fractions and then arrange them and again convert them into respective unlike fractions. So this much for today, and if you have any problem regarding math, then just comment your question in a comment below and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.